Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashwini Dikshit. I'm a fashion, beauty and lifestyle blogger from Bangalore. So today I will be filming a haul video where I ordered a bunch of products which are skincare and makeup products from Nykaa. Some of the products I have repurchased and some of them I'm going to be trying it for the first time, and I can't wait to show you guys what I picked. So let's get right into it. First up, I picked up Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipstick. So I'm going to quickly swatch it for you and show you guys. So the thing about mini liquid lipsticks is that it's travel friendly. Obviously you can carry it and slide it in your purse, and you can frequently change your lip colors. The thing with full size lipstick is that I'm not even sure if I'm going to finish it or empty it. So that's the reason why I prefer mini liquid lipsticks. And I feel these are super convenient, and these are shades that I usually like to wear on everyday basis. Next up is this Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Glazed Bronze. I have used a couple of liquid highlighters from different brands, but somehow I feel I keep coming back to Nykaa Strobe and Glow. Unlike the other liquid highlighters, this does not dry my face out, and I really like this product. I'm going to quickly show you guys how this looks. So this is how it looks. A small amount can go a long way, honestly. It's got a beautiful gold shimmer to it. It looks super natural and nice, and somehow I really am attracted to this color and I can't get enough. Moving on to the next product, it is the Nykaa's Mattelicious Crayon Lipstick in the shade Lacy Luck. It's super smooth and it glides on very smoothly, and it's got a creamy texture, and I'm pretty sure this is not going to dry out my lips. And I like something with a bit of moisture because you don't have to keep applying a lip balm. So I feel this is a good product. I cannot live without lip balms, and the next product is this Lip Crush Macaroon Lip Balm from Nykaa. I picked up one in mint flavor and the other one in blueberry flavor, and I cannot do without lip balms, honestly. I usually have one in each bag, and I really wanted to try them out. This is the first time I'm picking this up, and they look so cute that I had to get two of them. So next up is this Nykaa's Clay It Cool Mask. This one is the Perfect Glow Clay Mask, and the other one is this product is a total 10 on 10 for me. So this was a repurchase, and I kid you not, I love this product. The next product is the Nykaa's. So the best part about this is one side it is the liner, and the other side comes with a wing stamp. Basically it makes it super easy for beginners to ace their wing liner game, and I would totally suggest this to you guys because I have used this earlier, and this is when you're running late for a meeting and you want to like ace your winged liner. This is just the product you need. It's just amazing. Next up we have this product from Nykaa, which is Prep Me Up Face Primer. I love this product, and this was a repurchase. I'm buying it for the second time. Pocket friendly, and it does its magic so well. It blurs out the pores like no other, and I was quite impressed with this product. So this is a 10 on 10 for me. Next up is this product from Nykaa, which is the Salon Shine Nail Paint in the shade Moroccan Spice. I kid you not, I have been looking for this shade for the longest time now, and I finally got my hands on this, and I can't wait to try. Next up, I picked up a bunch of hand creams. Yes, I'm a sucker for hand creams, and I cannot do without hand creams. It's just like lip balm, and so I had to get these because every bag deserves one hand cream. So I just ended up buying 5 of these, And I've used these hand creams earlier and they are non-sticky and non-greasy, which is just what I need. It gives the right amount of moisture and I completely love these. And they smell divine. Not to forget, they smell divine. So I picked up vanilla and cinnamon. And then we've got peach and almond. The packaging is so pretty, guys. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. And then we have honeysuckle and white tea. And we've got magnolia and white tea. Last but not the least is this rose and white musk. If you guys haven't tried these out, and if you're a person like me who loves hand cream, then you guys must give it a shot because you will love it as much as I love it. Take me seriously on this one. The next product is the Nykaa's Wonderlust Mini Body Butter. Picked up 2 of these. The first one being the Japanese Cherry Blossom. And the next one is Sicilian Sweet Pea. So this is one of my favorite products. It smells so good and it's non-sticky and non-greasy, and I love products like this, and that's the reason why I picked up 2 of them. I like them. Next up we have Nykaa's Wonderlust Body Milk. I picked up 2 of these. The first one being the French Lavender. The next one is Sicilian Sweet Pea. They smell really good, and I feel anything that has lavender, I feel it has a very relaxing effect on me, and that's the reason why I look for products with lavender or cinnamon or those kind of products. I'm super attracted to, and I really can't wait to try these out. Next up we have Nykaa's Wonderlust, which is the Hawaiian Jasmine Body Scrub. I've always used the one from Body Shop, and I thought I needed to try something different, so that's the reason why I ended up buying this. And I'm quite keen on actually trying this, and I'll let you know how this works on me. So stay tuned. Here we have the next product, which is Masaba by Nykaa, which is the nail enamel remover. I feel the packaging is super pretty. We all know that these prints scream Masaba, and the color combination, I was drawn by the color. Looking at this packaging, I was like, okay, this is something different. I really need to pick this up. And it's got like a sponge inside, and you just have to put your finger in and twist to get off the nail paint. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but the product is quite good. It does the work well, except if it had mild fragrance to it, it would have been great. But anyway, yeah, this is okay. Next up we have the Nykaa Brow Girl Eyebrow Definer Pencil. It's in the shade Bewitch Chestnut. I haven't used this earlier, so it's got like a liner, and on the other end it's got a spoolie. It's super convenient. It makes it easier. We don't have to carry 2-3 products at the same time. You can be done with your brows in like 5 minutes, and I think it's a good idea to have spoolie along with it. The last but not the least product is this product from Nykaa, which is, it's in the shade brown. I've used this product earlier. So basically it's got a mascara wand for the brows, but it makes it super easy and you can just run through your brows very quickly, and it's hassle free. Honestly, I like to pick up colors like brown for my brow because I don't want black. When you apply black, it looks mostly like in your face, and I don't like brows like that. So I usually pick them up in brown, and this is a repurchase, and I love this product. It's a 10 on 10 for me, and it's worked really well for me, and I love this product, and I truly swear by this product. This brings us to the end of our haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be coming up with a lot more content like this, so stay tuned. Until next time,